Nĩ mũcemanio ũtabanĩirio kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo ũkĩrehe hamwe kaunti ngũrani cia rũgongo wa bũrũri. Itanya rĩa mũcemanio ũyũ nĩ kũhukia mĩrũgamo mĩrũrũ ta ikundi cia ũtoi iria igucagĩrĩria andũ ethĩ.
Extremism is very contextualized and each county has their own contextual underpinnings that might act as drivers on increase the vulnerabilities of young people to radicalization and recruitment.
Radicalization and violent extremism has been the biggest challenge. We have come from a background, specifically in Mandera, where we could not talk about those issues at some point. But I must mention today and congratulate the former governor of Mandera, His Excellency Ali Ibrahim Broba, for taking initiatives in terms of coming out, mobilizing his executive and his county government budget resources to ensure that the issue of prevention and countering violent extremism takes good shape.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Isiolo nĩ yathondekire rũhonge rwa kũhĩtana na ciĩko icio, mũbango ũrĩa ũgucĩrĩirie ikundi ngũrani gwĩkĩranĩra ngirimiti ya mũbango wa kũhukia ciĩko icio.
And we thought, as the people of Isiolo who are doing this work, the best thing is to ensure that our county takes it up as one of the key issues, as one of the key agenda, and that's why we came up with a memorandum of understanding that we have presented to our county government to ensure that it establishes a directorate of PCV.
As a county assembly, we are going to support every initiative aimed at discouraging our youth from joining terrorist organizations like Al-Shabaab. We want a peaceful, county. We want our economy to thrive. We don't want to live in fear. We don't want to be associated with such a notorious gang.
Amwe na ũguo nĩ marĩire ũrĩa megũkinyĩra andũ matũũra-inĩ nĩguo kũmathomithia o ũndũ ũmwe na kũhukia mbara cia kĩmũciĩ.
We mostly think of terrorism as something that happens nationally, affects maybe the big cities, but we see that all other what we call push and pull factors that contribute to violent extremism happen at the county levels. We see the recruitment being done at the county level.
The stakeholders, including political goodwill and leadership, and that will be able to lead this country to greater height in terms of peace and stability.
Mĩrũgamo ĩyo kaingĩ ĩhutagia andũ ethĩ, aingĩ ao marĩ anake arĩa matiganagĩria gĩthomo. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.